It's freezing in New Jersey, so I had to get something warm and soupy. I'm at the Fuss Spot in Edison. Let's eat. Broth first. Mm. Mm. The noodles are actually really bouncy, almost al dente. A little risky eating this in the car. The broth isn't super beefy. It's a bit more herbally, which some may prefer. Meatball. Nice and bouncy. The beef quality here is on point. Really tender. By the way, the decor inside is pretty cool. Seems really modern and updated, not some old grungy spots that I usually get my pho from. They got their spring roll. They had shrimp or tofu. Nice size.